Okay, welcome all of you on platform of URPD Education, and I'm very sure you people must be preparing nowadays and putting effort in right direction. You see, there are certain exams which are coming up now, and those of you who are preparing for these exams, that actually is good because this shutdown period you can utilize for such preparation. Like SSC JE exam is just recently declared, and IPAT exam is also approaching, and many other exams are also coming every day. So my request to all of you is that just focus on the preparation. If you are not going to colleges, if you are not going to any other place for preparation, then focus on your studies and keep preparing. Make a schedule every day and keep preparing for that. Now, for this upcoming SSC JEE exam, Yourpedia is going to launch the module, dedicated module for the preparation of this, and we are basically focusing on keeping less time in mind. We are focusing on 100 most important topics in technical and 100 most important topics in non-technical. So we made some sort of analysis, and our mentors provided a list of 100 most important topics that if student does these 100 most important topics, then I think his probability of scoring high in the exam is there. That means most of the questions come from these topics. So previous year's question paper analysis is done, and on the basis of that these topics are identified. So these topics, and along with these topics the questions will also be covered. So let's say a small topic, if we pick it up, let's say shear force bending moment diagram in civil and mechanical engineering is important topic of let's say strength of material, from where questions come. So the mentor will cover that topic, and in that topic the mentor will go for 25 questions minimum, that is video questions, and the conceptually clear. This way 100 topics can be done. So you need to make a schedule every day that suppose we keep that now there are let's say 75 days are left. So every day if we have to cover 100 topics, technical, 100 non-technical, every day minimum one technical, one non-technical topic we have to cover minimum, and some days we have to do two topics, three topics. If you maintain that rhythm with the team Yourpedia, then I think your preparation will be very good. That is what we are going to do. And we in on Yourpedia we always tell students to first go for demo of the classes and then go for the module. So classes demo is already going on. Non-technical videos are being uploaded, you must have seen, and same technical videos are also going to be uploaded, though there are so many technical videos on the platform. So let me now brief you about this module. This is dedicated module for SSC JEE, which is the exam is in the first week of September, and Yourpedia module starts from 10th June. In this module, what you are going to get is videos you are going to get of 100 topic of technical and 100 topic of non-technical. So 200 topic you are going to get. Similarly, there are questions, 3,500 questions of these 200 topics, that is video solution for that. I mean, the mentor will be doing that. Plus online test series mein you are going to get 4,500 questions. And let me tell you, the exam, SSC JEE exam, is all about solving many questions. The questions are very simple, but more the practice you do, better the preparation you will have. So what will be covered in this module is it covers important topics, not all the topics I will say, but the most important topic from where probability of getting question is high, and the difficult topics normally which student find, these will be covered. And this is up to 5th September you can access this module, and this will be 100 topics technical, 100 topics non-technical, and module starts from 10th June and ends by 30th of July. Now in the month of August we are going to go for many more questions as the topics keep on getting completed, and this detail you can get on the website also, that is yourpedia.in, and dedicated groups will be made with the mentors so that you can regularly ask the questions. On Yourpedia always the price is kept keeping value for your money. So the price kept is approximately 3,000 rupees in technical non-technical combined, and this is for three branches, mechanical, civil, electrical branches, and it is difficult in this budget and in this time to provide you hard copy, and soft copies cannot be provided. So keep that thing in mind before you purchase this module. So the topics will be taught in such a way that you can prepare it as you are sitting in the class. You can make your notes also, and a lot of questions also you can do that. So you just keep that thing in your mind, and this is how it is going to be. Now let me tell you how the schedule is going to move. And I'm taking example of one of the branch. Let us say mechanic, this civil engineering branch. Suppose I take out of mechanical, civil and electrical, I've taken civil engineering branch to tell you how the schedule is going to be. So like 10th June ko we will be uploading, on 10th June we will be uploading these topics on highway: early development of highway, cross section elements, side distance, super elevation, transition curve. So these are the topics which I think our mentor must have found out very important. That एग्जाम में सर हाईवे में से क्वेश्चन ज्यादा यहां से आता है. सो हाईवे में से कहां से क्वेश्चन आता है? रेलवे से में से, आरसीसी में से, बिल्डिंग कंस्ट्रक्शन में से. सो आई विल नॉट से दिस आरसीसी इज अ कंप्लीट आरसीसी, but in 100 topic, when we divided 100 topic, the mentor says that RCC may say, sir, these are the 6 topics from where maximum questions come. So these 6 topics will be covered, and along with these 6 topics, 25 question of each topic will also be covered. Like 4 topics to 100 question, that is how. So these dates are the dates of uploading all topics. Like 10th June ko these 11 topics will be uploaded along with the questions, right? Similarly, another mentor has soil mechanics, surveying, open channel flow. These topics will be covered, and the dates are also provided. Then similarly, Arjun sir, his topics and the time dates when they will be covered, and I'm covering this strength of material, fluid mechanics, PERT, CPM, and engineering mechanics, the topics which are common to civil and mechanical engineers. So that I'm going to cover here for both, and detailed analysis is done that okay, these are the topics from where questions come. I mean, these are our minimum things which we can provide. If we get more time, we will provide even more. Suppose I found that strength of material may I need to give not 7 topics, I need to give 10 topics. 3 topics I will add later on, but this is the bare minimum which I think we should do and we should provide you, right? Similarly, so this is the entire syllabus of civil engineering, in which all the topics and their tentative timings of uploading the topics is provided. These details are also provided on the, you can see these details are also provided on the website of this our site. You can check there also. Now non-technical schedule is also similarly done. In non-technical schedule, me, Virender Saklani sir, Vishal sir, Pradeep sir, Jitendra Tyagi sir, they all mentors are going to upload weekly basis pe, like history, polity I'm going to cover, some part of economy I'm going to cover, current affairs, general knowledge part. Similarly, geography, environment, current affairs, Saklani sir, Vishal sir, general knowledge, Pradeep, general knowledge, reasoning, Tyagi sir, reasoning part is going to take. And so every week we are going to upload these many topics. And as I told you, like before you go for the module, you can check, I mean on YouTube we are going to put the videos, and like Yourpedia always for any module, whether it is engineering services or it is GATE or it is IPATE or any module, Yourpedia 20% videos are kept on YouTube, and the purpose of that is to give direction to the students who cannot afford to purchase the module. And second, to tell you about the demo, you know, you say that whether I'm understanding, can I make the report with this teacher or not? For that we put it on the YouTube. So like general studies may, how you understand the polity being taught by the mentor, history being taught, general knowledge being taught. Do you find that okay, these are the mentors, they are teaching this way, it will be value for my money, then I purchase this module. So before you purchase the module, you just check all the mentors they are doing properly or not, and if you're convinced, you can go for this module. So this is the non-technical module which we are going to do in basically this particular part. So now I welcome you all for this particular module, and I request you all to prepare really well for this exam. Give your more than 200%, because exam is now approaching, and be optimistic and positive. Prepare well and prepare those sections, because SSC JEE's question will be simple, but there will be so many questions, so you are to cover those questions. The approach has to be this way. So just prepare it well, and I'm very sure you're going to click it. Fine. Thank you.